So I've given Zuzu bath, and this guy is next, and he's so scared. Are you scared? Why are you upset already? First take the bath and then get upset. He's seeing this is how it's going to happen to him. He's so upset. Come on, next is you. Come on. Simi, you're a brave boy. Come on. Not interested. Did you like your bath, Simi? Did you like your bath? They're upset with me now, I guess. Sorry, but I had to do. After effects of bathing. How are you feeling, Susu? Good? Smart? You feeling good? Smart? And you? The troublemaker Sim? So much silence in one day. Mau, 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 mau. He hates me. She's hating on me too. She's like, what is she doing?